Hello, I'm Yuan Xie. The sound of wood shaving and the clashing of tools accompanied much of my childhood. Growing up in different environments, the most influential time was the 12 months I spent at a furniture factory in Songgang. I spent much of my time observing how wood, starting from scrap, was transformed into the craft piece through human hands. This childhood experience has led me to the interest of exploring the craft and realized that anything through creativity and efforts can be given a new life. One of my projects, The Flying Tailor, is inspired by these childhood memories of making a kite and also the childhood game of playing with the wind. To start with this project, I researched the craft of making a kite and also the materials. During my research, I discovered that the bamboo frame is key to its shape and also flight abilities. Bamboo, when heated, can be bent to form the ideal curves. This structure not only determines if the kite can fly, but also reflects the precise use of the material properties. The flight of kite relies on the principles of aerodynamics. An Austrian artist once explored the combination of clothing with aerodynamics by designing a suit that works as a parachute and jump from the Eiffel Tower. Although this experiment was ended failure, but it was inspired the future development of the parachute. These historical events lead me to consider how to incorporate the aerodynamic with the clothing design. My exploration starts with the kite patterns, which require a really clear calculation to ensure the balance under the wing. I extract the kite patterns and try the flat pad cutting techniques. I want to explore the interactions with the fabrics and the wing. I select nylon fabrics, which is wind-resistant materials for the functionalities, and on the other hand, the lightweight fabrics can naturally blow under the wind. After that, I also continue to exploring the kite patterns in close 3D and create a design based on the kite shape on human models to explore more possibilities for the structure and forms. Another essential part of making a kite is the method of securing the bamboo. I studied these techniques and experiment by combining many individual pieces to test different structures. After the initial experiment, I attempt to incorporate it with more interaction with the body. So I bundled the bamboo strips in a cross structure and interwoven with the fabrics. These experiments not only preserved the traditional kite-making craftsmanship, but also they added a unique structure to the garments. Through this process, I want to use bamboo as a supporting frame to allow the garment silhouette to extend freely like a kite. My favorite part of this project was the kite-shaped dress. As when I was young, I often wondered what is on the other side of the sky, and I imagined myself as a kite yearning to catch the wind and fly somewhere far away. The kite dress just looks like a kite if we put it flat on the table, and when people wear it, it looks like a dress. However, if we put the arm up, the wings of the kite become the sleeve. Just feels like I could fly when wearing this kite dress. In the future MA studies, I want to keep exploring the craftsmanship and also the new materials, and exploring how to better combine the creativities and the practicalities. The possible themes is to incorporating the pointed trajectories for structural deformations in pattern design, to providing the outdoor people with portable and practical protections. I got the inspirations first from a geometric systems called the ghost cube. This kind of creative cubes can be changing its forms, and it also can be used as a furniture. This could also be used in a geometric flat patterns with the fixed motion trajectories. By pulling the straps, it could also form a three-dimensional space from the flat patterns. These technologies can play critical roles in extreme conditions, such as the avalanches. By fast forming a protection space around the head could ensure the airflow. My years at LCF built my practical and methodology foundations. The Glasgow School of Arts emphasized on practice and research-based learning, and critical thinking align with my vision. And I think its teaching philosophies of using constructive disruptions as a way of creating inventive work could help me to break out and push my design further. Seeing the GSA students like Yue Wu using the craft to explore the vehicles and the flying machine reinforced my belief that GSA is the ideal place to further my research on connecting with new materials, memories, and healing through designs.